Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this hair combo using no adjustments made at all, so you'll save time. So the first item that we'll be wearing today is this. If I can just load it. This one over here. You can color it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to color this color. And then I think I might toggle it to the classic ones. Hold on. Yeah, toggle it to the classic ones. And then we are going to also get these pigtails here, but just in the bangs only toggle. And we're going to color everything the same color. Hello? Oh, there it is. And then we are going to also use these braids as well. In the same color. You can color the hair tie differently. I'm just going to color it black. Lastly, we are going to use this hair. If I can just find it. This one. In the same color. And that's it, super cute, and the best part is you do not need any adjustments for it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!